Hello, Namaste and Salam Sajatra and welcome to Asha's Spice Box. Today we're going to make a Rojak. What is a Rojak? It's a fruit salad with just one vegetable, the cucumber. Shall we find out the rest of the ingredients? I already told you this cucumber, there's a red apple, there are pineapples here, and there are also guava. And we also have some peanuts which go on top, some Nimbu or some lime, and some coriander. And of course some bean sprouts. So now, shall we see how we make this? Okay, so what we need is a bowl. Fruit salad always need a bowl. Put in the fruits, put the apple in, put everything. Put the apple, put the guavas, put the pineapples, put the cucumber. And then you mix it up, and then you put some of the sauce, which is the peanut sauce, which is a mix of the peanut sauce, the jaggery, and some chili and some garlic and ginger sauteed and made into a paste. And then I just sauteed this whole thing into a big, beautiful sauce on medium to low flame, and it smells amazing. Then I put that sauce on top of this fruit salad, sprinkled it with a bit of ground peanuts and some coriander, and put some lime on the side, and voila. Oh, I've also added some bean sprouts as well. I hope you like this Rojak, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Ta-ta!